Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Teamwave CRM Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. We noticed that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, head over to your account online, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Profile, click on API key, and you're going to copy your API key. Click on Copy, and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup, and paste your API key. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the Changelog. At the Changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7.